Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Yesterday, you read and listened to the text Trees in Our Communities. You found the main topic and drew a picture of a place where you can find trees in your own community. Today, you're going to identify the author's opinion in the text Trees in Our Community. What does that mean? Let's find out. Learning target for today says I can identify the author's opinion in the text Trees in Our Community. Now, the word identify means to look for. What are we looking for? We're looking for author's opinion. We already know that the word author means somebody who writes the words or the text. Now, what does the word opinion mean? Well, we're going to try and figure out what that word means. An opinion is someone's thoughts and feelings about something. It can be their ideas or thoughts, or what they dislike or doesn't like, or what they really love or like. Do you see all the colors at the top? A person can say, I love blue. Blue is the best color. That is that person's opinion. Another person can say, I love red. Red is the best color. That is this person's opinion. People have different opinions, and people express them differently. Sometimes people say, I think, I believe, I feel, I like, I love, I enjoy, to express opinions about things that they like. People also use expressions like, I don't think, I don't believe, I don't feel, I don't like, I don't love, I don't enjoy, to express things that they don't like. You can have opinions about just about anything, from the weather, your favorite books, activities, food, or different places that you like to visit. It is important when you share your opinion, you also share why, your reasons for your opinion. For example, if I say, I think Trolls is a great movie, I need to also tell you why I think Trolls is a great movie. I think Trolls is a great movie because it has many fun songs. When you share your opinion, make sure you also share your reasons. Why do you think that way? After someone shares their opinion, you can also respond. You can think about whether you agree, that means you think the same way, or you disagree, that you think differently. So somebody who agrees can say, I agree, that movie has great songs. If someone disagrees, that person can say, I disagree. Trolls is not a good movie. Now, let's practice finding opinions. And also, I want you to think about whether you agree or disagree with these opinions. There are two opinions on this slide. I will read them to you, and I want you to pause and think about which ones are opinions or someone's thoughts. Some trees have green leaves. Frozen is the best movie ever. I don't like milk. Miss Kim is a teacher. Now, pause and think. Which two sentences show someone's opinion? Did you think about it? You're right. Frozen is the best movie ever, is someone's opinion, because you can agree that it's a good movie or disagree that it is not so great. Another one is I don't like milk. People have different likes and dislikes. Some people may like milk and some people may not. So this is someone's opinion. The sentences that says some trees have green leaves is a true statement. It's right. Some trees do have green leaves, and that will not change. So it is not an opinion. Miss Kim is a teacher is also not an opinion. It's true. She is a teacher. Now that we've learned about the word opinion and what it means to have an opinion, let's go back to our learning target. Our learning target reads, I can identify, which means to look for, the author's opinion in the text Trees in Our Community. The author is somebody who writes the words or the text. Opinion, we didn't know what it meant before, but now we know it means what people think or believe or feel about something. So our learning target tells us that we will be able to look for what the author thinks about or believes about in the text Trees in Our Community. So as you listen to the song again today and go through our lesson, I want you to really think about what does the author believe or think about the main topic of our text today.
Hello, kindergartners. Welcome to Lesson 3 of Unit 2. Your learning target is, I can identify the author's opinion in the text Trees in Our Community. Now, read it with me. I can identify the author's opinion in the text Trees in Our Community. Today, you will identify the author's opinion in the text Trees in Our Community. You will also think and talk about whether you agree. You will need the text Trees in Our Community. You will also need Enjoying Trees Journal, Part 2, page 3, and a pencil. Now, let's read about it. Let's reread the text, Trees in Our Community. Trees in Our Community, to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Oak tree in the park, see the ants crawl up the bark. Willows grow beside the stream, they keep water clear and clean. Maple, maple near the street, leaves change colors, it's so neat. Quaking aspen outside a home keeps it safe from wind and storm. Paper birch trees on the path, use a stick to draw and scratch. Trees in our community give the world joy and beauty. Find a tree and then you'll see how lovely and helpful trees can be. Now that you've reread the poem, let's think about it. What is the opinion of the author of this poem? Do you agree with this opinion? Why or why not? Pause the video now and think about this. Now, think about this question. What reasons does the author give to support her opinion? Pause the video and think about it. Now that you've thought about it, let's talk about it. With a family member or a friend, talk about the following questions. What is the opinion of the author of this poem? Do you agree with this opinion? Why or why not? Pause the video now and talk about this. Now, talk about this question. What reasons does the author give to support her opinion? Pause the video now and talk about this with a family member or a friend. Now that you've talked about it, let's write about it. In your Enjoying Trees Journal, Part 2, page 3, respond to the following questions. What is the opinion of the author of this poem? Based on the text, draw a picture that supports the author's opinion. When you've finished, you can share your work with a friend or a family member.
When you are writing, first use the sentence starter. The author thinks that, and then draw a picture of how you know. Think about what you saw and read in the poem Trees in Our Community. Why does author think that way? After you are finished, take a picture and send it to your teacher. Thank you for listening to our lesson. See you next week.